Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create an auto-scroll carousel in Squarespace. This is a fantastic feature, especially if you want to showcase testimonials, client logos, or featured images in a dynamic and eye-catching way. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set up the carousel, automate it to scroll on its own, and customize it to fit your website's style. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to your Squarespace website editor. You'll want to add a new section to the page where you want your carousel to appear. This is your starting point. Think of the section as a fresh canvas where your carousel will live. When you add a section, look for and select the testimonials layout. Squarespace's testimonials design is perfect for carousels because it displays content in a card-like format and is already optimized for sliding between elements. If you don't see it right away, use the search or scroll down. It should be listed under Templates or Pre-Built section. Once that section is added, click into the Edit section button to start customizing. Now, you'll notice there's a default title at the top, something like Testimonials or What People Say. Go ahead and remove that title. This keeps your carousel clean and focused, putting all the attention on the images or reviews. You can simply click on the title element and hit Delete or Backspace, depending on the Squarespace version you're using. Next, make sure the layout is toggled to carousel type. Squarespace sometimes defaults testimonial sections to a grid view, but for that smooth, automatic scrolling effect, carousel is what you want. You'll usually find this setting in the section's design or format options, often labeled as type or layout style. Just double check before moving on. If you see horizontal scroll arrows or dots, you're in the right place. Now, this is where a little code magic comes in. In the description of this video, I've placed a special snippet of code designed to automate the scroll effect. Copy that code exactly. You can use Ctrl+C or Command+C, depending on your device. Don't worry if this sounds intimidating. Squarespace makes it pretty straightforward to use custom code for simple effects like this. Once you've copied the code, hit Save on your section edits. This ensures nothing gets lost as you move to the next step. Now, navigate to your page settings, the same page where you added your carousel section. You'll find this option usually in the left sidebar, or you can hover over the page name and select Settings. Within the page settings, click into Advanced. This is where you'll paste the code. Now, you might see a box labeled Page Header Code Injection, or something similar. Place your code here. This tells Squarespace to apply your auto-scroll effect to this specific carousel on this particular page. After you paste, just hit the Save button again. At this stage, you're ready to preview your handiwork. Go ahead and view the page. You should see your testimonials or images gliding smoothly across the carousel automatically, without clicking on arrows or buttons. If it's not moving, double-check that you pasted the code correctly. Sometimes an extra space or missing character can stop it from working, but don't worry. These fixes are usually quick. A nice touch at this point is that you can swap out the images or update the testimonials within your carousel. Just head back to the Edit section and click on the images or text you want to change. If you're showing client logos, for example, or a rotating set of photos, it's as easy as uploading new ones to keep your carousel fresh and on brand. And that's it. Building an auto-scroll carousel in Squarespace is a fantastic way to make your site feel dynamic and engaging. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, drop any questions you have in the comments. I love helping out, and make sure to subscribe for more easy, actionable Squarespace tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.